Welcome back to English Dialogue Box, the channel where we transform real-life viral situations into fun, advanced English conversations to help you learn naturally just by listening. In today's episode, we bring you a hilarious conversation between two college friends discussing Pakistan's latest viral sensation, the famous DHA Wali maid. Sit back, relax, grab your chai, and enjoy the most entertaining English dialogue of your day.
Mehak, did you see the latest storm on the internet? Our celebrity of the month, the DHA Wali maid, is literally everywhere. Oh, yes, please don't even remind me. My entire timeline is just her face, her vlogs, her dramatic music, her sarcastic comments on her baji. She's more popular than half of our actresses now. Honestly. And the best part, she speaks with such confidence as if she owns the whole DHA, the bungalow, the kitchen, the cat, everything. Exactly. Yesterday she said, बाजी ने मुझे न्यू एप्रन नहीं दिया, but कोई बात नहीं, content तो मिल गया. I couldn't stop laughing. Who thinks like that? A social media genius, that's who. She has mastered the algorithm better than half the digital marketing agencies out there. You know what I find fascinating? She cooks like she's on MasterChef, but complains like she's doing a political talk show. Yes, and she gives roasting reviews of her employer like she's hosting a comedy night. Honestly, sometimes I think she's more educated than the Baji. Hoiza, I have a theory. Oh God. Okay, fine. Tell me, is this another one of your conspiracy theories? Absolutely. I think the Baji knows everything. I think she's even holding the camera sometimes. Please, Mehak. You think they're running a content creation partnership? Baji and Maid, the ultimate viral duo? Why not? Everyone else is collaborating. Even cats have brand deals now. Why can't a maid and a Baji run a side hustle together? Fair enough. But I must admit, the maid's sense of humor is unmatched. Did you watch the video where she said, बाजी के लंबी मीटिंग्स होती हैं, लेकिन मेरे काम के breaks बिल्कुल short. That was iconic. Yes, she was cutting onions like she's giving a TED talk. And the background music? Why does every minor inconvenience in her life have emotional background soundtrack? Because drama sells, Isa. People love emotion. People love tragedy. People love onions and crying. I swear, she has single-handedly redefined the maid-employer relationship in Pakistan. I know, and honestly, she's bold. She actually roasts her baji online. If I ever roasted my mom online, she would personally disconnect the Wi-Fi from my soul. Same. Forget Wi-Fi, she would uninstall me from the family system. But really, this whole trend says something about our society. Yes, it says that we are all bored and ready to make anyone famous. Exactly. First it was the chaiwala, then the burger eating guy, then Dananer's Pauri, and now the DHA wali maid. Exactly. Speaking of content, did you see the comments section under her latest video? Yes, half the people are calling her inspirational, the other half are arguing whether she's real or scripted. And one guy wrote, Baji, please adopt me too. People truly have nothing better to do. But credit where it's due. She has confidence, comedy, consistency, and chaos. The 4 C's of internet fame. Wait, I have another theory. Here we go again. What if she's actually a trained actor pretending to be a maid? Okay, this chai is making you hallucinate. No, seriously. Think about it. Perfect camera angles, perfect one-liners, perfect timing. Even some influencers don't produce content like that. Maybe she's just naturally talented. You know how some people are born to shine? So she was born to roast Baji? Exactly. Everyone has a destiny. What if she joins TV dramas next? Imagine her saying, Baji, मेरे dialogues किसने change किए? And the director will be sitting in a corner crying softly. Honestly, I would watch it. It would be the most entertaining drama since Bulbule. Same. But imagine her fan following. Maid Nation, Episode 1, Bhaji's Burnt Biryani. Stop! I'm choking on my samosa. Okay. But on a serious note, she's using humor to highlight class differences too. True. And maybe we need voices like hers. Funny, bold, relatable. Yes, not polished, not staged, not perfect, just real. Real enough to go viral. Real enough to make us talk about her for 30 minutes straight in a college canteen. Speaking of which, are we ordering chai refill? Of course. Viral gossip requires hydration.